Hello, food lovers. Today we're diving into a recipe that's close to my heart: pepper chicken. This isn't your average chicken dish. It's a flavor explosion that combines the best of North and South Indian cooking. Get ready for a fiery, tangy, and utterly delicious culinary adventure. Pepper chicken is a staple in many Indian households, and for good reason. It's a versatile dish that can be served as a starter or a main course. It's perfect with a side of fluffy rice or warm naan bread. Trust me, once you try this recipe, it's going to become a firm favorite in your home too. The secret to an amazing pepper chicken lies in the spices. We're using a blend of black peppercorns, red chilies, and aromatic spices like coriander and cumin. These spices not only add heat but also depth of flavor. Roasting the spices before grinding them releases their natural oils, creating a fragrant and potent spice blend. Black pepper is known for its sharp, pungent flavor. It adds a wonderful kick to the chicken. Red chilies bring the heat, so adjust the quantity to your liking. Coriander seeds offer a citrusy note, while cumin adds an earthy warmth. Together, these spices create a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Marination is key to juicy and flavorful pepper chicken. We're using a simple yet effective marinade of yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and our freshly ground spice blend. Yogurt tenderizes the chicken, while the spices infuse it with their incredible flavor. Make sure to marinate the chicken for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. This allows the flavors to penetrate deep into the meat. For an extra flavor boost, you can add a squeeze of lemon juice to the marinade. Now for the fun part, cooking. We'll start by shallow frying the marinated chicken until it's golden brown and cooked through. Then, we'll prepare a quick masala using onions, tomatoes, and our trusty spice blend. Once the masala is fragrant and the oil starts to separate, add the fried chicken back in. Toss everything together until the chicken is well coated in the masala. Finish it off with a sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves for a burst of color and freshness. And there you have it, a plate of sizzling pepper chicken that's bursting with flavor. Serve it hot with your choice of rice, naan or roti. It's guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser. Enjoy!